Namaste dosto. In this video we are going to talk about BITS Pilani Dubai campus. This is one of the most awaited videos on our channel, and in this video we have tried to cover almost everything about BITS Dubai. Right from the hostel to mess to placements to the sports facilities, the various facilities that are present in the hostels, the type of food, what is there in the menu each day, what are the different rules and regulations, and various other things. So please be here till the end of this video, and for your information, if you are interested, if you are curious to know about any particular section, then you can go in the description there. I have already given the timestamps of this video, so you can just go there down and click on your desired section. Also, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Raj, who is currently doing his bachelor's from BITS Dubai. He is currently a third year student, and I want to sincerely thank him for giving his valuable time to us and for answering our questions. So let's get started, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Raj, so I want to start by asking you three very basic questions. Number one, what is the nationality of majority students at BITS Dubai? Number two, what is the sex ratio? And number three, what are the future plans, what are the future career options available to students at BITS Dubai? So for instance, here in India, we generally go for masters, or we go for an IT job, or we go for an MBA, etc, etc. So I want to know that what BITSians at BITS Pilani Dubai campus do after completing their graduation.
Yeah, so here we have two types of students. One are hostlers and the second one are day scholars. If we talk about the general nationality, then mostly all, like 99% people are from India only, like the nationality is Indian. But if you see, the residence is different. Day scholars generally come from UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, etc, etc. And if you talk about hostlers, then some people are from Saudi Arabia, many are from India, and then other few countries like Singapore, Malaysia. In general, the sex ratio is 2:3. And if we talk about the general future plan of a BITSian, then here the general plan is most of the students just go for their higher education, like for masters or MBA or any other higher degree.
Okay, so that was quite interesting. Let's now talk about hostels. So Raj, please tell us that how many hostels do you have in BITS Dubai and various other facilities available in them.
So at campus we have 6 hostels, 4 are for boys, 2 are for girls, and we have curfew timing of 10:30. At gate curfew is 10:30, and we have single accommodation.
Every day I still remember when I was really free and all the things I lived. In the midst of the things that I left, I regret for this. It won't be the same, yeah. I never felt this way, cause I want to come back and find my way. And I have to run and run away. I finally choose, yeah. Cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. Now I'm disappearing, looking for light. Listen the time for you. Yeah, I'm wide awake for real. I'm wide awake for real. Every day I still remember when I was really free and all the things I lived. In the midst of the things that I left, I regret.
Coming on to the food at BITS Dubai. Generally, if you will see, then the quality of food and the taste of food at BITS Pilani, any campus, be it Pilani, Goa, Hyderabad, is extremely delicious. If you will compare it to any other college, even a private college, then the quality could not be matched with that of BITS Pilani. So Raj, please give us some insights about the mess at BITS Dubai and what are the different varieties of foods that are there in the menu at your campus.
So as of now, the mess is not operating dine-in system, they are operating as a parcel system because of the COVID restrictions and all. I'll show you. The students can come They can form a line and then they can take the parcels. I'll show you. So according to our demand, we'll tell them what we want, and accordingly they will pack the food and give the parcel to us, and then we can take it to our room and then we can enjoy it. Otherwise, there used to be a full dining system here. After COVID restriction, with social distancing, they'll form the previous mess again. Now, this is the menu of, this is the general menu for our mess. The food is quite good as compared to other mess system. The BITS Dubai food is really nice. You can see we have breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks also. Here in breakfast we get every day bread, butter, and the main dish, the cereal, tea, coffee, milk. As well as in lunch we get main dishes, salad, papad, chutneys, and in dinner and there are multiple quite good dishes like veg, non-veg burger with cheese, paneer labab, noodles, fried rice, aloo curry, chicken crispy fry, etc. So the menu is quite good here.
Academics are a very important part of any university curriculum. So I would like to know that how are the lecture halls? I would like to know the ambience, the seating capacity, and also what is the status of library? How big is the library? If you could just show us the inside clips, the inside ambience. So that would be great to our audience.
Oh yeah, lecture also yaad hai. I also have one lecture. Number theory. The teacher is our Dean SWD, Dr. Preeti ma'am. Let's go into lecture. In this COVID times, the situation is changed. You know, both online and offline options are there. So right now I am attending offline. Let's see. I am late, so maybe. Am I coming now?
Yes, ma'am. Why was late? Yes.
Any college, literally any college, any institute or any university is literally incomplete without the clubs, departments and the various societies which are there for students. So Raj, please tell our viewers that what are the different types of clubs, what are the different societies and departments that are there at BITS Dubai.
Yeah. So talking about the clubs and the departments, so we have various, like so many of clubs are there. There is photography club which is shooting right now and helping us to do this video, the reflections. There is dance club, Groove, social environment club, Mad club. There is a sports club, then various clubs. If you see Shades, which is an art club, and departments also like Skyline, Civil Engineering Association, ACM, ASME, MEA, and other IEEE, AOEE, and drone, for drone specifically. We have so many clubs and departments. For each and every activity, there is one designated club. If we see, we can, and there is one event also linked to that particular club. There is a, for fashion people, there is a fashion club also. For gaming people, there is a gaming club also. There is for singing and rapping and other things, there is a singing club also, which is treble. And for acting and other things, there is one club for particularly that is Paribhasha. For literature and other things, that is expression. For each and every talent, there is a club. For business mindset, there is a new club which is just that is a Wall Street Club. So for each and every activity there is a club, there is a department, and the student can really enjoy the participating each and every event and department in that.
Is there a sports complex at BITS Dubai? Because I've heard that there are many events which are organized at the national level at BITS Pilani Dubai campus, of the level where people from all over UAE and sometimes even from Saudi Arabia and surrounding nations come to participate. So I am guessing that there might be a very big sports complex there. So please share your views upon that, Raj.
As you can see, we have track, we have cricket pitch, we have tennis court, we have badminton court, and we have indoor sports complex as well, where there is a badminton court, TT tables, and there is a indoor and outdoors gym also.
Nextly, I would like to very briefly know from you that what are the different kinds of fests that are there at BITS Dubai?
Yeah, so talking about the fairs, as you know, in these tough times we don't have any kind of festivals. It is all online, but the festivals are the main lifeline of the college. If you see, it is all organized by students. Each and every festival, all the sponsorship, marketing, logistics, it's all done by students only. Fourth years lead the team, third years are co-leaders, and second years are a member of the team, and first years are the volunteers. Talking about the festivals, then we have majorly 6 events. The first, which is the biggest inter-college sports festival in UAE, which is BITS Sports Festival, BSF. It happens usually in the first semester of the academic year. The second and the main event, it is the inter-college cultural festival. It is also the biggest cultural festival in UAE, which is Jashan. And the third one, and all the intra-college events like Technofest, there is Ingenuity, there are Sparks, and other main events. Like there is one event from Social Environment Club also, which is Spectrum, and there are multiple events which goes on. Each day, each week, you have a different event that makes our college lively.
What are the placement statistics? What are companies actually visit the campus during placements?
Companies, so for placements, generally companies are Emirates, Zomato, PwC, Emerson, Schneider, Schindler, etc. etc. These companies generally come every year for placements.
I've heard a lot of myths about BITS Dubai. Right from the rules and regulations to various other things like alcoholism and intoxication of various different things. Like, I know these are just myths and these all things can't be tolerated in any of the BITS campus. But I want to know from you, Raj, that what exactly are the rules and regulations which are there at BITS Dubai?
Yeah, so I heard many myths that BITS Dubai, the rules are very chill and students can do whatever they want, but it's not like that. Because of Dubai and this culture, the rules are very strict. I'll show you one picture. See, this is the person's notice board. You can see these are the fines for misconduct. Fine starts from 5,000 dirhams. It can go up to 50,000 also. Like in here, the rupees, it's written fine up to 5,000 rupees, then 10,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees for liquor, and for some category 3 fines, there are the fines up to 50,000 rupees also. So the rules are very, very strict here. So that is a total myth that BITS Dubai, the rules are very chill and people can do many things.
Dubai as a city is one of the most developed as well as the most technologically advanced city in the whole world. So Raj, I would like to know from you that what are some of the advantages of this epic location of BITS Pilani Dubai campus, which even Pilani, Goa and Hyderabad campus do not have in India.
So as a place, Dubai, we have like very different advantages. As a student, if you see, then because of this globalization of the city and all, we are getting a very good amount of industrial exposure. We have very high number of industrial experts coming to campus and giving their ideas and talks. And the main important is the practice school. Like students get to learn a lot in practice school because of this globalized city. If you see, then they have so much of big companies and experienced companies basically. So they have very big advantage of that gaining that experience and learning from that.
Now coming on to some more recreational activities. What are some of the hangout places which are there in BITS Dubai? Where do you generally go for hanging out with your friends, probably at weekends? And what are general weekend plans of any BITSian at Dubai campus?
If you like hangout places, if you see, then we have so much of hangout places in Dubai. As this is a we all know that this is a tourist place, and there are so many places where we can enjoy and chill. If we see the big places, then there is Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, and there are lots of beaches, there are lots of malls. So the hangout places are so much. And in nearby also in Academic City, we have a very famous restaurant, Setal Sham, where each and every hostler has been there. And that one burger, the Lusty Zinker, that one burger, everyone, like every day, everyone will order that thing. That is so good. So usually at the weekends, many hostlers have many plans. So many hostlers will sleep also. That is there for sure. If a weekend is there, they'll sleep. But yeah, there are many plans of hostlers. They'll go to here. We have one mall, Dira City Center. We have all the things, movie theaters, restaurants, and so people will usually go to any nearest city center. As well as I mentioned, there are so many hangout places. People will likely go to one of them, and they'll just chill and vibe. And also we have transport facilities also available. We have one bus on Fridays, which will allow students to go directly from campus to Dera City Center. So we have transport facilities also available here.
My last question to you in this video: why should anybody join BITS Pilani Dubai campus?
So that is a good question, that why should someone join BITS Dubai? So the main and most important thing is the factors about the location. As we all know that how globalized is Dubai city, and due to this globalization and technology which is here, basically almost all the branches have main factors here. Like if you see, there are so much of industrial experts, there are so many manufacturing companies which are ready to take students as interns. They'll make the people learn, and students can get the best experience in their practice school time. So the main and the most advantage is the practical things that you'll learn in BITS, and you will get international exposure also.
So that was a great conversation with you, Raj, and I really enjoyed it, and I hope that even the viewers of this video must be enjoying the conversation and would have definitely got something really valuable out of this video. So if you're new to our channel and you are with us till this point of the video, almost to the end, then please hit the like button and do share it with your friends who are currently aspiring for various different engineering entrance exams, or if they are making their mind to go to Dubai.
Ambuj, really thank you. With this opportunity, both of the sister campuses came together and we developed this video. There is one more video of freshers, and with this we usually get a chance and new opportunity to develop inter-campus relations, and it was a very nice time talking to you. We also learned many things by talking to you, and I think we should develop this relations more often, and we should do videos together. We all are one, all sister campuses should come together and make all our bits and proud. Really thank you for this opportunity. We would love to see you at our campus. Thank you.
Subscribe to this channel if you are new, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And again, I want to thank you, Raj, for giving your so much valuable time to us and for taking so much effort, so much pain. We all have seen. It was very apparent through the video clips and through the recordings that you have sent us that how much efforts and how much hard work you had to put in while shooting this video, while making this video. So thanks a lot, Raj, and all the members who were there during the shoot of this video and for various other things. So चलिए next video मिलते हैं. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, press the bell icon, keep studying, keep revising things, stay happy, stay focused. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.